Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a video on how to lose your weight within 3 months time frame. So I would like to say a few things before I start. This is only for the healthy person. If you have any medical condition, please do not do this. I'm not a fitness expert, I'm not a dietitian, I'm not a health expert as well. So today whatever I'm going to say, it will be all based on my personal experience. Because many people have asked how did I lose my weight, that's why I'm making this video. So a few things that I gonna need from you is commitment, time and discipline. These are very important things that you're gonna need to lose your weight. What I used to do every single day within those 3 months of time frame. I used to do like running twice a day. 6-7 kilometers at least in the morning and same in the afternoon as well. Every single day I have done that for 3 months. Apart from running, I used to do abs exercise from YouTube, which is called Rebecca Lewis abs exercise. It is for 10 minutes. I used to do that after running every single day as well. And eating healthy. When I'm saying eating healthy is low in carbs, low in fat. I used to eat like mostly salad, boiled veggies and soup, roast meat. And whenever I used to feel like I need something sweet, I used to have like a piece of grape only to like sweeten my mouth. That's it. Few other tips are like, you can have 2 glasses of water before each meal. What that will do is that will fill up your tummy and then you will eat less. And the other tip during the meal, like whenever you are eating and then you feel like you want to top up some more, just wait for 5 minutes and then just ask yourself again, do you want to top up that meal or are you full? And the other tip is like, whenever you feel like you want to eat something, ask yourself, are you really hungry or are you just feeling like to eat something? Because sometimes we are not even hungry and we just feel like we want to eat something. At that time, just go and drink some water. That will help you as well. I had to motivate myself a lot of times. Like, after a week I was like giving up. How long I gonna do like this? How long I gonna eat those boring food? How long I gonna work so hard doing exercises? But I used to say to myself every single time that I wanna look better, I wanna feel better, I wanna look healthy, I wanna be stress free. So basically I will say that you have to love yourself however you look, regardless of your body shape, size. But personally for I decided to do this exercise just because I wanted to feel better, feel healthy. After 2 weeks, I started to see some difference. My God, yes, people can see changes on me. So that's how I was motivated. Always set your time. I did set my time for 3 months just because I don't wanted to think like I gonna live like this for whole time, like I gonna live my life like this forever. But no, I did it for 3 months. I achieved my target weight in 3 months, and then after that I just started eating whatever I want, but in like less amount. And after 3 months, my body started to get used to those routine as well, those food as well. So I was just keeping up. Still now I do exercise every single day, but not twice a day. I do run only once a day. That is mainly is to feel healthy, be stress free. Life is too busy with kids, work and everything else at home as well. With exercise, it helps me to feel better, look better, and it gives me confidence. Hopefully these tips will help you. If you have any more questions or more information that you want to know, please write down the comment below so I can make further videos on this. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and I hope I can bring you more videos.